guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can stop Spotify playing suggested songs on like mobile, Android. So what you want to do is this: be in home, then go to the right top corner to the settings, and when you're gonna be here, you wanna scroll down below and scroll down below, and you will find it somewhere here. Let me show you. In autoplay next to the devices. So here, keep on listening to similar tracks when your music ends. Disable it. So it's under playback, scroll down below and up canvas. That's where you will find it. So this is how you can simply disable autoplay on Spotify, on mobile. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.